Hey KBCC Garage fans, we're introducing a brand new shop card designed by Monarch Arts DS. Bubba's Red Malibu, one of my favorite builds. Hello folks, it's Cliff, Kissyboy Smith, coming to you with a video on my latest shiny project. Taking a break from doing shiny stuff to do the KBCC garage, or KBCC's Kissyboy's crusty cards. But I had to take a little break from that and do something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's actually the REVELL 71 Oldsmobile 442W30. For those of you who follow me on Facebook, and even here on my YouTube channel on the community tab, said that this was my dream car ever since I was about 16 or 17. My brother had one for a while. I wish that I could have bought from him. But this is basically what I'm calling Kissyboy's dream, because this would be my dream car, and this would be one of the ways I'd want to do it. It's got, it's basically coming straight out of the box. I mean, the only thing I'm changing at the moment that I can think of would be the wheels, and these are Iceman Collection Forge Line wheels. And I actually bought these wheels specifically for this car, and then I went online on or to YouTube, and I found I just did a search for 71 Oldsmobile forge line wheels, and came up with a with the video. It was a page or a channel called Cars by Chris. He does 3D renderings of cars, and it was exactly pretty much this. The only thing is I didn't copy the color. I was gonna do it blue anyway, and his was more, the rendering was more of a, I'm thinking it's a more metallic, kind of a darker kind of blue. But this, I had seen this this French blue. It's to me a French blue. I had seen it on, well, I'd done my 68 Dodge Dart, one of the crusty cars, believe it or not. It's the same color. I'll actually put a picture of it right here too, so you can see it. And this is what it would look like if it was shiny. So basically this is the Tamiya, well, it started off with hot rod black, duplicolor hot rod black, and then Tamiya French blue, and then over that is the Tamiya clear, which I haven't buffed this out yet, but it's just got a pretty decent shine to it. Just it's been curing for the last 3 or 4 days, so I'm not turning all around because the other side only has one wheel on it, so it doesn't look as appealing to this as this side. So this is what the wheels look like. I decided I'll put up some still pictures of what it looked like when it started off, as compared to what it looks like now. But I just wanted to show you guys this before I start buttoning it up. I actually have quite a bit more painting to do before I can start buttoning it up, but this is what I'm working on at the moment. It's gonna have the kit motor, but for some reason the intake manifold decided to grow legs and walk right out of this shop. And I've looked everywhere for it, but as you guys know, I've been working on several projects that I use the MPC or AMT 69 Oldsmobile chassis, and unless that intake manifold shows up someplace, I stripped the chrome off of that intake, and I'll be using that on this motor. And you can see I've gone with the manual transmission option. But just wanted to put something up on the channel. I will return with the Kissyboy's crusty cars soon. I've actually shot as many of those as I could stand to do for the moment. But I definitely appreciate all the feedback on those videos. That was actually a lot of fun, and there will be more of those coming soon. And that's all I got to say pretty much about this. I mean, if you follow it on Facebook and just look at the community tab, you'll see a lot of the updates that I made on this. I didn't want to put all of the stripage on it. It's one nice subtle stripage on the hood, and I didn't want to do the I'm not a fan of the spoilers on the back of cars, so I decided not to put that on here. I mean, as you can see with this one, I didn't put a spoiler on that one. That one comes with the spoiler. And my 69 GTO, no spoiler. I think about the only thing I would probably put a spoiler on is if I did do the 70 Buick GSX, I might put the spoiler on that one if I do that more stockish, but I don't know. I might even put it on that one. Anyway, appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope you all stay safe and enjoy the rest of the week.